Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Today, let's learn how to create blog categories to keep your blog posts tidy and organized. Let's get started. On your site's dashboard, go to Blog on the left. And over here, go to Categories. Click Create Category. Put your category name over here. You can add a short description as well as a category image. You can upload your own media or select a media from Wix's media library. Once you're done, click on Save. All right, so your new category has been added. So every time you create a post or every time you work on a post, you can assign a category to it by going to Settings. Go to the Categories tab, and over here, you should see the new category you've just added. And once you click on it, the blog post you're working on will be assigned to that category. You can actually select multiple categories for a single blog post. Don't forget to click on Save to save your changes or publish it, especially if you're working on a post that's previously been published, so that the changes will take effect on the live blog post as well. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.